Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service, is a fully managed database service provided by AWS. It allows you to create, run, and scale relational databases in the cloud without worrying about managing the underlying hardware or software. A relational database stores data in tables, rows, and columns, and uses relationships to connect data. Examples include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, MariaDB, and Amazon Aurora. Key features of RDS. Managed service. AWS handles setup, backups, patching, and updates. Supports multiple engines: MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and Amazon Aurora. Scalable. Easily increase storage or compute capacity when traffic grows. High availability. Multi-AZ deployment ensures automatic failover if one database goes down. Secure. Data is encrypted at rest and in transit, with IAM integration for access control. Example: how RDS solves real problems. Once upon a time, there was a web developer named Montu. He was building an e-commerce platform where customers could browse products, place orders, and make payments. At first, Montu installed MySQL on an EC2 instance. He set up the server, configured the database, and connected it to his application. But soon, challenges appeared. He had to check backups manually every day. During festive sales, when thousands of customers visited, the database became slow. One night, the server crashed, and Montu spent hours fixing it. Frustrated, Montu thought, there must be a better way to handle databases. Then, his senior suggested. Backhand index pointing right. Why don't you use Amazon RDS? Curious, Montu explored it and discovered that with RDS, the setup was simple, just a few clicks and the database was ready. Backups, patching, and updates were handled automatically. With multi-AZ deployment, if one database failed, another took over instantly with no downtime. During the next festival season, Montu simply scaled up RDS to handle the traffic surge. His data was secure with encryption and integrated access control. Now, Montu was free from database headaches. He could focus on building new features for his website instead of babysitting the database. As a result, his business grew quickly because the website stayed fast, secure, and reliable, all thanks to Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS makes database management simple, reliable, scalable, and secure, allowing developers to focus on innovation rather than infrastructure maintenance.